Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotster, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. Development has turned to the alternative proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which relies on a distributed cohort of stakeholders. To earn the right to validate transactions and generate new coins, these validators don't use computing power but rather deposit, or stake, their own money on the network. However, efforts to build a proof-of-stake system frequently run into a problem. It's all too easy for one stakeholder, or multiple stakeholders working in conspiracy, to amass funds and co-opt the network. That compromises security and decentralization, two of the 3 cornerstones of an effective blockchain, for the sake of scalability. Harmony has attempted to build a fair system that keeps validators in line. What is Harmony? Harmony is a Layer 1 blockchain built in 2018 and launched in 2019 by Stephen C., with the goal of resolving the persistent blockchain trilemma of balancing scalability with security and decentralization. It launched via Binance Launchpad and netted $23 million in May 2019, and now has a total market capitalization of $1.5 billion. It runs on the Ethereum network and includes a token called One, which validators can mint for themselves and draw in the form of transaction fees. Its developers boast that the network can handle 2,000 transactions a second, each of which takes on average 2 seconds to settle. The average transaction on Ethereum proper, by contrast, takes around 10 minutes. Fees are similarly reduced by 1,000 times. Harmony also incorporates a cross-chain feature called Horizon, which allows holders to move between One and the underlying Ethereum network, meaning they can avail themselves of both the Layer 1 network security and the Layer 2 network's efficiency. It is currently building out a platform for lending non-fungible tokens, NFTs. A token, whereas many Polkadot projects only launch their tokens once they're up and running on a paired chain. Despite being right in the thick of the crowdlend process, co-founder and executive director Vivek Prasannan recently took some time out of his busy schedule to sit down for an interview with us. Prasannan has been in the blockchain and crypto space since 2013, having been an early adopter who tried to experiment with mining bitcoins from his office using a 44 GH per second mining board. Since then, he's been involved with research and investing in projects including Ethereum and BitShares, with a particular focus on improving the user experience of decentralized exchanges. In 2019, he met Polkadot's co-founders Gautam J and Deepanj Singh, as they were working on an innovative new stateless consensus algorithm. In 2020, they decided to launch their DEX on Polkadot, and the project will go live on mainnet in 2022. Disk, and more. Yoan Chen, CEO of Trust Wallet, rounded up the event with a keynote speech. A lot of hard work was put together by the Binance team to create an extensive program of speakers that users will not find anywhere across the globe. As a result, Binance Blockchain Week has over 15 panels, each consisting of several speakers explaining different topics, more than 8 major keynotes from top personalities in the decentralized finance, DeFi, space, and over 90 international speakers. As stated earlier, the first day focused on crypto ecosystem growth, as speakers talked about mass adoption, industry building, and user safety. Tomorrow promises to be another exciting experience for users. Once again, speakers around the globe will navigate the blockchain space, but this time, focus on the non-fungible token, NFT, GameFi, and Metaverse world. The list stood about, independently, without requiring investment from third parties prior to development. What makes a Star network stand out from the crowd? A Star is supporting both Ethereum Virtual Machine and WebAssembly. Developers can deploy existing Solidity contracts, as well as Polkadot native smart contracts. It also supports bridges. After only 3 months of being live on the Polkadot mainnet, a Star network has already bridged over $180 million in Ethereum assets. The success of a Star to date is also attributed to the quality of the dApps being built on top of the blockchain. A Star network already has 40 dApps on its network, including some DeFi protocols that have already amassed huge popularity in the Polkadot ecosystem. Partners in high places. Interestingly, one of the world's leading tech giants, Microsoft, has recently partnered up with a Star to assist them with their incubation program. Microsoft has agreed to assist chosen businesses from the Astar Incubation Program with marketing support and mentorship. All approved projects will get exclusive access to the Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub, bringing the two technology companies closer together. Parachains bring recognition as Star Network has capitalized on its Parachain slot, using every opportunity to advance its features, developer community and partnerships. Polkadot's technical advancements paired with the flexibility of Substrate has attracted the second largest developer community. Now that Parachains are live, it is time to showcase the developers' capabilities to the world. When projects participate in a crowdfund for a Parachain slot, they often gather the support of their communities in exchange for their native token. Equilibrium won the most recent Parachain slot with over 610,000 DOT and 1,685 contributors. Unique Network is positioning its project for the next Parachain with over 524,000 DOT contributed from 2,271 contributors. Each Parachain brings unique functionality and use cases to the ecosystem. Layer by layer, issue 26. Solana, Near, and Polkadot Quick Take. In this weekly series, we dive into some of the most interesting data and developments across the Layer 1 blockchain landscape. From DeFi and bridges to network activity and funding, new cross-chain protocols continue to emerge, spurred on by persistent demand for interoperability and shared liquidity between chains. Unified strategies between L1s, bridges, and DeFi protocols are proving to be effective at streamlining user adoption. This week, we take a look at Solana, Near, and Polkadot. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0. 25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.